It is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020, and today we're going to have a look at several of the weather anomalies that have affected China over the past couple of months, including terrifying moment, huge fireball blazes above a Chinese city after a bolt of lightning hit high voltage power lines, also courtesy of CGTN.com, dragon absorbing water spout spotted in southern China. Next, courtesy of the Indian Express, terrifying videos show massive tornado in China's Xilanhat. Next, courtesy of the Epoch Times, China in focus, unusual weather phenomena plague China. And last but not least, 5 earthquakes hit China. Let's hop into it. And this comes courtesy of the Daily Mail. Terrifying moment, huge fireball blazes above a Chinese city after a bolt of lightning hit high voltage power lines. A lightning bolt has ignited a massive fireball over a Chinese city after it struck high voltage power lines. Footage shows a loud bang rocking the city of Shenyang today before a blaze broke out seconds after, leaving residents in shock. The blast occurred near several tower blocks but caused no casualties according to the country's state media. A flash of lightning hit the transmission lines near a residential compound, sparking a fire on the grass underneath. The incident did not cause any damage to the public facility or interrupt the local electrical services, the outlet claimed. Shenyang, a city of 8 million in northeastern China, has been battered by torrential downpours today. At nearly 11 p.m. local time, the city's meteorological bureau declared a red alert for rainstorms, the highest level in China's 4-tier color-coded weather warning system. The warning was followed up by an orange alert, the second highest level, around 15 minutes later. The city was hit by heavy rainfall of up to 70.1 millimeters per hour between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. today, the local government said. Officials activated the second highest level of alert for flood control in the city as a response to the adverse weather. Thank you for watching this video. If you're finding it informative, please consider giving the channel a subscribe. If you live in the Midwest or southern United States, then you know tornadoes are a fairly common occurrence. But in China they're rare, but they're popping up more often. Here's 2 articles I found about recent tornadoes in China. Our first article is dated July 31st and courtesy of CGTN. Dragon absorbing water spout spotted in southern China. On July 30th, a huge water spout appeared on the sea surface near Wizhou Island in South China's Guangxi Autonomous Region. A water column connected the sea to the clouds, attracting many tourists and residents to watch. The water spout lasted about 15 minutes, commonly referred to as a dragon absorbing water in China, but also known as a water spout. The phenomenon is a type of tornado. And our next article is dated June 27th and courtesy of IndianExpress.com. Watch terrifying videos show massive tornado in China's Xilanhat. A massive tornado touched down in Xilanhat in northeastern China's Inner Mongolia on Wednesday, June 24th, and several videos of the same are now making rounds on the internet. Motorists and those trapped inside their houses captured several terrifying videos of the tornado when it struck China's countryside. According to local reports, the storm formed at around 6:30 near the new vehicle management station of Xilanhat. A tornado is a violently rotating column of air around an intense low-pressure center that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. They can have wind speeds of up to 483 kilometers per hour and are capable of leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. And in our next article, I'm just going to read one paragraph because I feel like it places further emphasis on China's weather issues. This is from June 26 and courtesy of the Epoch Times. China in focus, unusual weather phenomena plague China. Unusual natural phenomena seem to be appearing more and more in China. A gigantic tornado hit Inner Mongolia in northern China. Some citizens on social media liken the storm to a scene from a science fiction film. And I've been following China's weather for several years now. I'm aware of the mudslides and floods that occur there annually. This year things just seem to be excessive. Moving on. And our last article of the day is dated July 13th and courtesy of NTD.com. 5 earthquakes hit China. The series of disasters is continuing in China with ongoing floods and 5 earthquakes on July 12th and 13th. This included a 5.1 magnitude earthquake about 19 miles from the city of Tangshan in Hebei, raising concerns of a repeat of the 7.8 magnitude earthquake in 1976 that killed over 240,000 people. The same day, there was a 4.4 magnitude earthquake about 34 miles from Hunghani in the Yi Autonomous Prefecture in Yunnan. A 4.7 magnitude earthquake hit about 35 miles from the Gannan Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture in Gansu, followed by a 4.1 magnitude earthquake that hit about 84 miles from Hotan Prefecture in Xinjiang. And the following day, on July 13th, a 5 magnitude earthquake hit about 22 miles from Yili in Xinjiang. So what do you think? Is China experiencing severe weather in 2020? Or is this just business as usual? And I think this is a good place to wrap up today's video. I hope that you found it informative, and check back soon for more content.